In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export part of a timeline in DaVinci Resolve 20 quickly and easily. This is a super useful method if you only want to render a specific section of your timeline, instead of exporting the whole project. It's perfect for sharing a clip, reviewing an edit, or saving time when you only need one part of your video. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tips just like this. Let's jump right in. The best way to export just part of your timeline is by using in and out points. Start by going to the Edit page in DaVinci Resolve. Once you're there, move the playhead to the exact point where you want your export to begin. With the playhead in the right place, press I on your keyboard to set the in point. You'll see the start of your selection marked on the timeline. Next, move the playhead to the point where you want your export to end. When you reach the end position, press O on your keyboard to set the out point. Now your timeline will show a highlighted section between those 2 points, which tells Resolve exactly what part you want to render. This is the key step, because anything outside that range will be left out of the final export. Once your in and out points are set, the next step is to go to the Deliver page. You can do this by clicking the Deliver icon at the bottom of the screen. It looks like a little rocket, and this is where all of your export settings are handled. On the Deliver page, DaVinci Resolve will automatically recognize the highlighted section if your in and out points are active, so you're already halfway done. Now choose your export format. You can select a format like MP4 if you want a simple video file, or you can choose a YouTube preset if you're planning to upload it online. You can also adjust your resolution, quality, and other export settings depending on what you need. If you want the clip to look clean and easy to share, MP4 is usually the most common choice. After that, click Add to Render Queue. This sends your export settings into the render queue on the right side of the screen. From there, all you need to do is click Render All. DaVinci Resolve will now export only the section between your in and out points, not the full timeline. That means you save time and avoid rendering footage you don't need. If for any reason you don't see the correct section being exported, double-check that your in and out points are still active before adding the job to the render queue. That small step is what makes this method work properly. It's also one of the fastest and most reliable ways to export just a portion of your timeline in DaVinci Resolve 20. So to quickly recap, go to the Edit page, set your in point with I, set your out point with O, switch to the Deliver page, choose your format, click Add to Render Queue, and then hit Render All. That's it. You've now exported only part of your timeline. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next DaVinci Resolve tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.